Ready?
Yeah. Yes! We ready!
Yeah, I'll let y'all know.
Look at these colors. They are black and green and colorful. What the good is that, Daddy? What are you doing? Nazir!
And this is?
And Mason.
Okay, so today we're going to make some slime. I bought this kit called Color Chemistry by Crayola. So we're going to make some slime today.
We get started. It's lit, bro. It's lit, bro. It's lit, bro.
Y'all ready? It's Liddy. Hi, I'm Ivory. I'm the... Dang, Zaddy, that's how you gonna do me? I want to cook some too. So we have the Color Chemistry set. It's the slime part 1 and slime part 2. So I think this is just contact solution.
Mommy's lit to make some slime.
Okay, so we put the part A in here. Now we're gonna put part B. Alright, so now we're gonna pour in part B of the mixture. And it says 5 milliliters of this. So
5 milliliters, okay.
So that means to 25.
Okay, 25.
Okay. We did that. Now what color do you guys want?
We want red.
You want red this? Okay, so we're gonna do red slime.
Okay, now you pick another one.
Okay, so
I'll do it.
alright. Okay, that's it. Okay, I think it's purple. So.
Okay, I'm out this piece. This is lit purple. And this is...
So now, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna mix it up.
Can I mix it up too?
Hold on, I got it. Let me mix it.
No, you're my way. Get out my way.
Put the phone down then.
Oh, get out my way. Get out my way.
Get out my way, bro. Get out my way,
Let me see.
Mixing it.
It's mine.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, hold on. Okay, let me see if it's sticky.
Look. Oh, I'll do it.
You ready? I'm gonna pour it out.
Put it on the hands.
Yeah. Hold on, you guys. Hold on. You guys end up making.
What? It's hold it. It's gooey. It's gooey.
Stick into your hands. Oh, you guys, this is so cool.
Yeah.
Okay, we're not doing this no more because what the hell?
Oh, gooey.
Ew. Oh my gosh. So now we're gonna make some fake food.
Yes, I felt food.
But what do you guys want to make first? Because I'll do the cutting.
Blueberry and some pizza.
You want to make pizza, so let's make pizza first.
We making pizza. We making pizza.
Okay, so now
We're gonna make some pizza.
yeah, the boys. So I cut out all the little pepperonis, and now we're gonna glue everything together.
Okay, it's done. Okay, it's done. All of the pieces done. And second pizza. Yes, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot.
The pizza's hot?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's hot. It's hot. Don't touch it. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Cooking them in the oven.